Hi, I'm Brian Drass from Ansley RV. I'm going to do a walkthrough on the Jay Flight 263 RBS, which has a power tongue jack, 220-pound LP tanks, a full awning. It comes with 4 Goodyear Endurance tires, a nice solid step, lippered entry step, outdoor kitchen, which is going to have a fridge, and back here you're also going to have a griddle that you can attach to the bumper with a LP quick connect underneath the bumper. And in the back we're going to have a ladder which will take you to the roof, which Jay Flight has a fully walkable roof. It is also prepped for a backup camera, spare tire, outdoor shower. Then if you walk around the other side, this is where your power cord, 30-amp power cord is going to be plugged into. As we walk around the front, I'm going to show you this unit for a small unit has quite a bit of storage for your camp chairs and any accessories you want to take along with you. And as we walk around, I'm going to take you to the inside. And as you notice on these steps, they are very solid. There's no play in them. And on the inside in here, this is going to be prepped for a TV. Then over here, we're going to have a set of recliners, which are very nice, that you can sit down and relax. We're going to have a refrigerator, which is 8 cubic feet, 12-volt refrigerator, which gives you plenty of space for your camping needs. Over here by the recliners, we're going to have our dinette, which will seat 4 comfortably. On the opposite side of the dinette, we're going to have our sink, stove, microwave. And with this stove, you're going to have extra counter space here with the glass top that you can prepare all your food. And when you actually use your oven, you want to flip it up here. That way you can turn your burners on. And you also have a decent size oven in this. And above your oven, you're going to have your microwave. And as we come back to the bedroom, you're going to have storage space on both sides of the bed. And at the bed, you're going to have a nice size queen bed. Underneath the bed, you're going to see plenty of storage. And above the bed, you're going to have an open storage for all your other camping accessories. And you're also going to have a closet on the other side of the bed. And with this second door into the bedroom, if you want to come in and change without having to walk through the whole camper, you can come in through this door, change your clothes, and walk straight outside. And as you come back here to the bathroom, with it being a rear bathroom, you're going to have plenty of room to change your clothes, do all your business, and brush your teeth. On this side, you're going to have your very big shower, and you're also going to have a nice skylight on the top to bring in some sunlight. To conclude on the walkthrough for the Jay Flight 263 RBS, stop by Ansley RV, take a thorough walkthrough, and ask for Brian in the sales office. Thank you.